Formula 10K review. That is what we are going to check in this video. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and a lot more. So this product Formula 10K is an info-based training product from one of my fellow Ministry of Freedom member, Philip. And in this training, he has mentioned how you can get started with online marketing and start getting results for absolutely free. You do not have to invest on any website. You do not have to have a pre-built list. You do not need anything. You can just literally follow the training and you can get started making money within the next 24 to 48 hours. So in this video we are going to look at my bonus page. I'm going to show you the sales page. We're going to take a look at the members area, what all things are there inside the members area, and finally we will check if this product is good for you or not. So without a further ado, let me jump straight into my bonus page, which is in the description down below. And once you click on that link, you will come to this particular page, and make sure you get all your bonuses before this countdown timer runs out. And all you need to do, you need to just click on any of these buttons over here, and that will take you to the sales page. Now talking about the bonuses, the first bonus which I'm going to give you is a 60-minute one-to-one coaching call with me, where we can discuss about any aspect of your business, any topic you want help with, or if you want help in setting up this Formula 10K system. So that's going to be 1 hour one-on-one coaching call with me. The next bonus I'm going to give you 180 days email follow-up series. See, initially you do not need to have an email list, but if you're serious about online marketing, eventually you need to build a list for yourself. To help you with that, I'm going to give you these email follow-up series. We can just plug in into your autoresponder, and that is going to take care of your next 6 months. The next bonus I'm going to give you is I'm going to show you how you can get traffic from Google Ads. So it's going to be a complete training course on Google Ads as to how you can get started with Google Ads. And the paid traffic, again, it is not necessary when you're getting started, but when you need to scale up your business, you can scale it up using paid ads, and Google Ads is one of a good option. So bonus number 4, I'm going to give you the complete training on how to succeed with YouTube. That's my own training course which I created. So you will have access to the complete YouTube training course. And the next bonus, the number 5th bonus which I'm going to give you, is a training course on list building on steroids. Again, as I said, list building is an important part of your business, and this training will help you eventually to build your list. Bonus number 6, I'm going to give you a training on the fastest way to make $1,000 per month. So that's a complete training on how you can make $1,000 per month. So that's my bonus number 6. And bonus number 7, it's a mega collection bundle, and it contains 33 best-selling products of Jono Armstrong and Brendan Mays. So you're going to get all of these as a part of my bonus. And the number 8 bonus is the vendor bonuses, which you will get inside the members area. And in order to access the bonuses, all you need to do, you need to just click on any of these buttons. That will take you to the sales page over here. And this is how the sales page looks like. The headline says 8 minutes equal to an influx of $10,000 per month passive direct into our accounts. So yes, it's gonna take up to 8 to 10 minutes to set everything up, but you should be seeing the results once you implement what is mentioned in the training in the next 24 to 48 hours. And Formula 10K reveals a beginner friendly method that literally took Philip from seeing zeros in his account to $500 per day earnings, and how to replicate it in less than 10 minutes. And then we have the sales video, which you can have a look. It's a 100% newbie friendly method. It's a fail proof method for making money out of thin air, and I personally use this method in my business. It's automated, it works like charm, no websites or techie stuff, free traffic on demand, and 30 days money back guarantee. And next, these are some income snapshots from Philip about from what he has generated from this method. And then these are the different steps which he has mentioned as to why you need this, and it's currently on discount. We'll talk about the pricing a bit later on. And then we have these bonuses which you will get access to inside the members area. These are the vendor bonuses, and it's a pretty long sales page which you can have a look. And now let me show you what is there inside the members area. So this is how the members area looks like. The first video is the welcome video, and where Philip shows his income proof from this method. Then he talks about mindset, which is very important in any kind of online business. And then he mentioned about the overview of the method and how you can get the product launches, how you can organize yourself, how to get approved for 50 to 100% commissions. That is one of the most important step which people do not get approved by the vendors. So he has given the complete information step by step as to how what you need to do in order to get approved. Then he talks about setting up your channel, then how to create the bonuses and the bonus pages, how to capture the buyer emails. That's a hack which you're going to learn, and that will help you to build your email list eventually. Then how you need to structure a video, how you need to make the video, how you need to edit it, how to rank faster. That is again very important, as you would want your videos to rank. And then he talks about another method to promote these campaigns. I'm not going to give you more information. You need to have a look at yourself. And then he talks about how you can 3x your earnings. So this is all in the members area of Formula 10K, and you're going to get everything, all my bonuses, for just $12.93. That's the front end part, and that will give you the training and all his tricks and secrets and strategies what Philip has learned. The first OTO is for $37, and you will get done for you funnels inside the first OTO. The second OTO is the done for you money pages for $67. It's the same money page which we are using to get leads into our business. The OTO number 3 is the infinite profit sequence for $97. So in this you will learn how to make more money from all your campaigns with our virtually unlimited sequence of over 200 plus campaigns. The OTO number 4 is the high ticket integration for $197, and you will learn how to attach our high converting big commission system to all of your campaigns and make way more per sale. The OTO number 5 is the unlimited traffic program for $197, where you will siphon the traffic from our sales pages and redirect it to wherever you want. So for $12, you're going to get all the trainings inside the members area. You're going to get all my 8 bonuses. So now talking about if this product is good for you or not. So if you're just starting out with online marketing, or you've been into online marketing but not getting results, I highly recommend you going with this product, as this is going to give you a method, a system which once you implement, you are going to get results. But for that you need to work, you need to put in the hard work. This is not a push button system. So if you're thinking about just pressing a button and expecting money to flow, it is not going to happen. This product is not about that. So you have to put in the work, you just have to follow the trainings, and you should see the results. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video, and my review has helped you to make an informed buying decision. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Cheers.